All right, so family, by the time you look at this, it will probably be too late for you to get this. However, this is something that you can watch now so that when 2023 and beyond comes around, you'll be ready for this. And also why you should sign up for my Discord so you can be ready for this. Anyway, we're going to take a look at a certificate that you can get that will be good only for the state of Texas. All right, this will be very helpful for whenever hurricane season comes around, right? This would be great for dealing with wind and hail claims. It is called the TWIA. All right, we can actually go there. There we go. So we're not going to go too in depth into this, but basically, this is a way for insurance adjusters to basically have a way to be able to work wind and or hail claims within these counties of Texas, of Southeast Texas, right here, as we can see. And from what I've been told from people that work these claims, like this is some big money involved in it. So basically, you would go to the properties. Yeah, I believe you would handle these claims. You would handle these claims similar to how you would handle property claims. You go over there, you take some photos, and then use Exactimate, and you pretty much notate everything the way you would a property claim. Now, reason why I'm talking to you guys about this now is because usually at the beginning of the year, there are a couple of firms. There are a couple of firms within either the state of Texas or just around America in general, that will work claims that work these types of claims within those counties. Right, you have companies such as Mason Claim Services, Mid America Cat, SWA Claims Management Services, and Compass Adjusting Services. Now, these are the four companies that I have in mind. I mean, these are the four companies that I know of that actually works these types of claims by helping insurers. By helping insurance adjusters, you get the certificate to be able to work those claims. Now, yeah, like I said, it's a bit too late for people to get it now because none of the companies, at least that I know of, are offering free classes to get them. However, what I will say though to help you prepare for the next year is how you can get ready for it. Well, first thing you want to do is number one, join those companies' rosters. All right, you get on their rosters, you'll be ready to go because they will send you emails and they'll say, okay, hey, we want to get you guys ready for the hurricane season this year, and we want you to get certified. So what you're going to have to do is that there's two ways that you can actually get certified for this. Uh, I mean, the main thing that you're going to do, uh, well, I say two ways, but but it's two ways, but you're gonna have to do it through one source. And see, let me get over here. So more than likely, what you're going to do is that you're going to go over to this site called TWIA.learnupon. You're going to have to go to the site called TWIA.learnupon.com, and you're going to have to create an account. Now, usually, again, with something like this, you will have to actually get in via. Usually with something. Wait, hold on. So usually with something like this, the only way that you'll be able to really get an account through here is to join any of the firms that I mentioned earlier. Once you're on the roster, they'll get you signed up. Now, there's two ways that you can actually take this. Now, there's two ways you can actually get the certificate, either through a live class or through a work at your own pace type of course. And I actually took mine via the work at your own pace course, and depending on which company and depending on which firm that you work with, they'll give you time and date on when you can take the live course, or you'll have a set date to when you need to finish the work at your own pace course. I've only done the work at your own pace course, and I gotta say that while it is tedious, you can still get it done. You can still get it done fairly, fairly easy, fairly quickly. And if you get this, you will be on the path to being able to work wind or hail claims within the southeast coast of the state of Texas. So call those companies up. you might can still get in right now by the time you're watching this. But if you haven't yet, still call them up, see if they have anything open or not, and join those rosters and be on the lookout. Usually at the beginning of the year, when they're going to offer up a chance for people to come in here and take this, because I'm telling you guys right now, there is a lot of money involved in working these types of claims, especially in that part of Texas. Lots of money. So here's my question for anybody that's watching this. If you did manage to get the TWIA, TFPA certificate, how did you take the exam? Did you take it through a live course or did you take it through at the work at your own pace? And let me know down in the comments. All right, family, I hope this helped you guys out. And be sure to check out my other videos if you're new to insurance adjusting and want to know more about this lucrative field. Check them all out. All right, family, take care of yourselves. Peace and love, and I'll see y'all next time.